on October 30th. On October 30th at 7 o'clock in the evening, Hurricane Sandy did this damage. तू पाठ ठेवायचा
काय करायचं?
ओके मी आता हे घेतो व्हिडिओ तो माणूस मला व्हिडिओ घेऊन ठेव करायचा and so the big tree came crashing down. I was in the bedroom on the computer room upstairs next to the bedroom. The tree fell on top of the bedroom, taking the ceiling down. Came through the attic and took the ceiling down and smashed all the mirrors and everything in that room. Obviously one can see the mess here as well, and yes, it's just a huge mess. Just unbelievable. But luckily nothing happened to us. I'm taking the video. No, it's okay. He's just neighbor. No, he's just a neighbor's son. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is looks. Yeah, he went that way. Yeah, exactly. I know he's the neighbor. Yeah, I know. Yeah. This is the whole house. You can see how tall the tree is. Look at that. Looks just terrible. Just terrible. The limbs everywhere. Just looks just so precarious. I don't know. But well, the moment I have to say I'm lucky to go through so many things in life, but still come alive, you know. So I don't know, but obviously just hope. Okay, don't know what to say. Just and you can see the roots look shallow. Probably they never went that deep for the house, for the tree. And here it is. Here it is. Okay, it's about how the tree stood at least twice as high as the house, and it is what it is. Okay, just terrible. Just terrible. Just terrible. Luckily the car wasn't damaged, but this is it. And is okay. Tree also fell across the road from our neighbors. Limbs everywhere, and one it can be so scary. It is so scary. Just scary. Just scary. Inside the house, the bedroom, This is how it looks now. Paint. This is through the window. And going upstairs, scared. Obviously there is no electricity, and this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom with all the water there, and just cannot be helped. You can see how big the and how it's bringing everything down, and this is how it is. Okay, I've got my clothes, I know everything on the other side, but going there is just not advisable. I'll take some of the computer things from here. And